Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll be completing the test your knowledge under dataset generalization and overfitting. So here click on it, which is under open quiz. Just click on it, and after that it will send us here. Here you can see the correct answers. For the first question is this, second questions are those, and after that for the third question are these two. Then fourth question is false, and the fifth question answer is complexity. Now we'll just click here to submit answer. We'll wait for a while. See guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys, it will help me a lot. And if you face any kind of error while doing these kind of stuffs, you can comment the error in the comment section. And if you want any kind of video, you just comment the name of the video, otherwise the link of the video. I'll be providing the videos as soon as possible guys. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.